Hello and welcome back to VR Club. This is Frank, and today I'm going to teach you a simple framework of how to use AI effectively. Now, you might be intimidated or scared about AI, but have no fear. It is really simple to use and not so scary, to be honest. The main framework that we want to take is having a question-based approach. We start off with asking a question in what you're interested in learning. We want to identify key parts you don't understand, and then keep asking questions about that topic. Either have it explain it in a different way or give it more context. The better questions that you ask, the better results the AI can give you. So just remember, it's very important to be specific and clear in what you want. So we're just going to go ahead and apply the question-based approach when interacting with AI. The AI I'm using is Magic School Plus. This can be ChatGPT or any other AI that you find online. So we'll start with the first step of asking a question in what you're interested in learning. So I want to have a character move in Unity. So I'll ask it that. How do I make a character move in Unity? And it will give me an output. It will give me the steps and the code and tell me exactly what I need to do. Now let's say I want to understand the code deeply. Then I might say I'll copy the code that it gives me and I might ask, can you explain this code to me? And you see, by asking it these questions of how to explain the code, I can go deeper into understanding what is exactly happening. Now let's say this doesn't still make sense to me. So I can keep asking it questions of, this doesn't make sense to me. Can you explain it in a different way? And so it will give you different ways of explanations. Let's say I still don't understand it. You can ask it either to explain it in a different way or give it a little more context. So let's pretend I am a middle schooler first learning to code. Can you explain it to a middle schooler? And so now you see that the answers are a little bit more simple compared to the original response here. And this is just an example of really using and leveraging AI to deeply understand the things that you build. Alright, so that's just an example of me walking through the framework. And just to reiterate, we have 3 different steps. The first one is to ask a question of what you're interested in learning. The second one is to identify key parts where you don't understand. And the third is to keep asking questions about the topic. If you still don't understand, try and asking it to explain it in a different way or give it a little bit more context. And remember, the better questions you ask, the better results it can give you. AI is smart, but only if what you give it is smart as well.